The STEPS Engineering Your Future programme, STEPS EYF, is designed to inspire transition year students to study engineering. STEPS EYF is an engineering experience programme that gives transition year students a hands-on, fun and practical insight into engineering at third level and as a career. STEPS EYF is coordinated by the Engineers Ireland STEPS programme and is hosted by third level institutes and industry around Ireland. This annual Engineers Ireland Transition Year initiative is now in its 9th year and to date has engaged more than 2,000 students. This year, the STEPS Engineering Your Future programme will be entirely online. Students will participate in virtual programmes in industry and third level on various dates between March and May 2021. This challenge is aimed at all transition year students who've applied for a place on a STEPS EYF programme this year. My name is Mark Langtree, the Science Guy, and I'm the Head of Science and Sport at Explorium, and I'll be your Challenge Master. The theme of this year's challenge will be sustainability. So let's go. All life on Earth depends on the environment. The natural resources that come from the environment include food, water, plants, and minerals. Important stuff. Humans must interact with the environment in a way that ensures there'll be enough resources left for future generations, and we don't harm the planet in the process. Economic and social progress over the last century has been accompanied by environmental degradation. That is endangering the very systems on which our future development and survival depend on. There are now more than 7.5 billion people living on Earth, and these billions of people use the planet's resources every day. Some of these resources cannot be replaced, and human activity is harming the environment. Sustainability addresses ways to protect and conserve the environment, and in order to achieve sustainable living, we need to think about our decisions in almost every aspect of life. This applies to our individual actions as well as the actions of industries, and simple changes can have a big impact on society as a whole. That's where you come in. Young people have been leading the way on climate action and other areas of sustainability. So we were so inspired by last year's students' creative, practical and innovative solutions to the challenges that we're again asking for your brilliance to help guide us towards a sustainable future. Lend me your ears. What? You've never heard of that? It's a saying. Mark Anthony? Not me, Caesar. It's like one of the most famous lines in Shakespeare. No? Listen up. That better? Listen up. The Sustainable Development Goals, or Global Goals, are a collection of 17 interlinked goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges we face. The SDGs, as they're known on the street, were set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by 2030, and we really need to get a move on. The goals are broad and interdependent and have specific targets, along with indicators used to measure the progress towards each target. The SDGs span across multiple cross-cutting issues like education, poverty, climate and culture, and address environmental, social and economic issues. And I encourage you to look up the 17 goals to see which or how many of them you want to address in your solution to this year's challenge. Manufacturing, agriculture, construction and many industries depend on fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas. These fuels create pollution that affects land, air and water. The burning of fossil fuels also produces greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming. They are non-renewable resources. Once they're used, they're gone forever. To achieve sustainability, industries are starting to focus on using alternative energy sources, such as solar power, wind power and water power. These energy sources are renewable. Let's take a look at some of them. With the goal to ensure access to affordable, reliable and sustainable modern energy for all, new technologies have found new ways to create electricity and other power sources sustainably. Solar panels use the heat and light of the sun to generate electricity. And the sun plans to be around for the next 4.5 billion years, last time I asked. So we can harness the sun's energy by using solar technologies and thoughtful building design. Here, I've created a game called Solar Soccer. The solar panels are known as photovoltaic cells and generate DC electricity when exposed to light, which in turn powers this center rod thingy there to move towards the other person's goal. All right, time for some sustainable skills. other button. Using solar panels makes sense, as much as that game of solar soccer didn't. We are making progress towards affordable and clean energy. Energy efficiency continues to improve, and access to electricity in poorer countries is accelerating, and renewable energy is making gains in the electricity sector, but we need more. Energy is the dominant contributor to climate change, accounting for around 60% of total greenhouse gas emissions. Here's another way of generating electricity. Water flows through the turbine, and as the wheel spins, it generates an electric current. The world's oceans contain vast quantities of untapped renewable energy, and Ireland is ideally placed to harness these resources. The movement of water has kinetic energy, which can be harnessed by wave energy devices. Water conservation is very important. Water is essential not only to health, but also to poverty reduction, food security, peace, ecosystems, and education. Countries face growing challenges linked to water scarcity and pollution. Billions of people still lack access to clean drinking water and sanitation. You can now buy appliances like dishwashers, washing machines, and toilets designed to reduce water usage. This dual flush toilet compares the amount of water used by each of the two flush buttons. Modern toilets use at least 6 litres of water with every flush, and some events require a larger flush than others, meaning that a lot of water is used unnecessarily throughout the day. The dual flush toilet overcomes this problem, thereby saving on water consumption and making a positive impact on the environment. I feel like I'm selling it. Oh, move over, mattress Mick. According to Irish Water, toilets account for nearly 30% of the total water used in a household, and all water delivered to our homes is drinkable, even the water used to flush toilets. Less than 3% of the world's water is fresh and drinkable, and 2.5% of that is frozen in the Antarctica, Arctic, and glaciers. This toilet hasn't been used for about a year. Let's give it a shot anyway. Hey, I'm gonna slowly back away. We've all seen that episode of Father Ted. By managing our water sustainably, we're better able to manage our production of food and energy. We can preserve our water ecosystems, the biodiversity, and take action on climate change. We can also generate electricity by turning this fan, which causes the blades of the windmill to turn, turning a magnet which induces an electric current in the wire, generating an electric current. Wind energy provides a clean, sustainable solution to our problems. Ireland has one of the best resources in Europe for harnessing offshore wind energy. Wind energy is currently the largest contributing resource of renewable energy in Ireland. It's Ireland's largest and cheapest renewable electricity resource. Countries can accelerate the transition to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy systems by investing in renewable energy resources and prioritizing energy-efficient practices. Commercial and residential energy use is the second most rapidly growing area of global energy use after transport, and households consume 29% of global energy. consequently contribute to 21% of resultant CO2 emissions. If people worldwide switched to energy-efficient light bulbs, the world would save €100 billion annually. Here, we have 3 different light bulbs: incandescent, halogen, and LED. Turning the handle generates an electric current, so we can compare how much electricity is needed to light the different bulbs. The more efficient the bulb is, the more light you get for the same amount of electricity. LED light bulbs are the most energy efficient light bulbs and are 85% more energy efficient than their incandescent equivalent. LEDs last longer, save money. Simple. Elbow grease into that. Gotta stand up for this one. The SDGs are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges we face, including the loss of biodiversity, forests, food loss and waste, the declining health of our oceans, plastic pollution. Every year, an estimated 5 to 12 million metric tons of plastic enters the ocean, and about 89% of the plastic litter found on the ocean floor are single-use items. To address climate change, we have to vastly increase our efforts. Transform the world's energy, industry, transport, food, agriculture, ocean and forestry ecosystems, and we must promote inclusion and respect towards all people. And we can do this, and we have all got the opportunity to take action. You can make changes in your own life, at home, at school, and in the community. And that's your challenge. For the STEPS Engineering Your Future 2021, we are challenging you to design or create a device or system that can improve the sustainability of your home, school, or community. And you choose how. Choose what type of function the device or system has once it improves the sustainability of existing systems, devices, or behaviours in the environment. It could be an energy-saving device, saving electricity, monitoring energy usage, water usage, reusing plastics, or helping to reduce, reuse, or recycle. It's up to you. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Thinking of the end user and how easy it is to adapt and use will be important. To enter the competition, send us the details of your creative ideas, designs, or devices. It could be a video, photo, or written text, and send it to steps@engineersireland.ie. Your innovative ideas and design solutions can enable us and inspire us all to lead more sustainable lifestyles, reducing our impact and improving well-being. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and best of luck with the challenge.